Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll share with you an interesting airdrop which is called XAGE. So in this project you need to verify the age of your X account. Then you can participate in social quest and you can invite friends as well. They have mentioned that the XAGE TGE will happen in April 2026. So you have around 3 months to join. They already have 78k followers, so they are building a strong community. If you check their pin post, you will see they say a new era of X applications has started. The rules are simple. So what are the rules? Connect your Twitter account, calculate the age of your account, complete tasks, invite friends and earn XAGE tokens. The XAGE token is going to be the main token here. We will earn this token and this is the same token that will be listed later. If you check the roadmap, you can see that a $2 million funding round is already completed. The app has already launched on the Play Store and negotiations with exchanges are also ongoing. Their X game is also currently live. After that, there is a major worldwide partnership planned in March, and if you look at the TGE, it is almost predicted by the project that the Token Generation Event or Token Airdrop will come in April. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future airdrops. Also, most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share almost all crypto airdrop updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you find this page link. After landing here, you will see this welcome message where they mention discover the value of your X account and earn rewards based on your digital currency. So click on next, then again click on next, then again next, then again next, and then next again. Now click on get started. Then you will see an interface like this. So here the first thing you need to do is connect your X account. Click on connect with X. Then you need to authorize it. And done. You can see that I have already received 5,500 XAGE tokens. These tokens were given automatically based on the age of my Twitter account. Now scroll down and here you will find some tasks which you need to complete one by one. The tasks are very easy to complete, so what you need to do is click on do task, then like the post, then come back and click on verify, then claim it, and done. Next, similarly click on this task, then follow this account, then go back and click on verify, then claim, and done. So like this you can complete all tasks to earn maximum tokens. If you click on the airdrop section, then you will see their roadmap which I already explained earlier. Here in the game section you can play games and earn rewards. Then in the referral section you will find your referral link which you can share with your friends to boost your tokens. In the profile section you will see your account details such as points, rank, your account age, etc. Then in the leaderboard section you will see top rankers, their points and your ranking as well. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like the video, and if you are new to this channel then please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.